We've dropped in to Plalite, Sittingbourne in Kent. We have found a cracker of a blast from past, but this time I'm going to get a bit of help. This is Lenny, is that right?
Yeah, Lenny.
And this is a Hardinge Super Precision. Well, I'm going to say 3-axis lathe, but you might correct me on that. Let's start at one end though. What's happening here?
You got your collet open and close as a tube inside, which pull back and close down the collet to grip over your part.
Nice and simple. Now talk me through the 2-axis or 3-axis.
You have your first bigger Z-axis with another little Z-axis back here to give a little bit more.
Yeah.
You have your little X-axis here, so they work independently.
And then the 3rd axis, we're not going to have a row about it, but you can a manual one?
It's a manual one. You set it by eye. There's no actual manual number increments, but you do have to set it when machining.
Not a problem. Now, different speeds as well?
Yeah, you have your slow and fast speed rate. They are depicted here as this little dial goes up and down.
And what's this going on down here?
This is for your thread cutting, so you have loads of increments of different TPIs and TPMMs. You go across to set it at whichever one, in metric and English, and obviously your 3 different gears.
Nice and simple, Lenny, time-served engineer, unlike my good self. This is a fantastic blast and pass for the Hardinge Super Precision 2-axis, 3-axis lathe. We're going to go 3-axis, and it dates back to 1960s.